Hello, student of class 7. I hope everybody is fine out there at home. Okay, so as we are going to start for the first chapter for midterm, clear? The first chapter we are going to talk about is the interior of the earth. Interior means what? Inside of the earth, clear? So we all know that earth, it has been made like 460 crore years old. It is very old, 460 crore years old. Its surface has undergone many changes throughout this year. So many changes has been come. So here a detailed study of the interior of the earth is done by whom? By the group of people, those who are studying regarding the geography, they are known as a geologist. Okay. So, to know about the knowledge of the earth's structure, which is very important for all of us, we have to have a frequent thinking what is there inside the earth. Clear? So, we need to also understand the nature of changes that take place on the surface of the earth. So, it is very impossible to reach the center of the earth, because without reaching to the center of the earth, we won't be able to find out what will be the temperature out there. So, it is very impossible, we cannot reach out there. Clear? Why? Because due to the temperature, due to the heat which is inside the earth's surface, which increases, the more it is depth, the more it is going to increase the temperature. Clear? So the temperature of the earth is estimated to be about 5000 degrees Celsius, and most of our knowledge about the earth's interior is based on the density of the materials and the behavior of the earthquake waves. And these waves, what it reveals the earth behaves like a solid body up to a depth of about 2900 kilometers. So just think that earth is like a coconut. Yeah, it is like a coconut. Outside it is very hard, and there is a softness inside the earth. Clear? So average density of the earth is about 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter, and the materials of the inner layers are heavier than the outer layers. Clear? So what are the structure of the earth? Very important. It has been divided between the three concentric layers. That is known as a crust, mantle, as well as a core. And this arrangement can be compared to like an onion. If you cut an onion in the centers, you will see the layers. So same layers you can find it out the interior of the earth. So we are going to start with crust. What are crust? They are the solid outermost layer known as a land. Upper part is known as a continental crust, and the lower part is known as an oceanic crust. Clear? So continental crust, they are made of a silica and magnesium. That is why it is known as a Sial, S-I-A-L. And oceanic crust are made up of silica and magnesium. That is known as a Sima, S-I-M-A, Sima. Clear? So density of crust is 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter, and the outer crust, they have a soil which provides a mineral. Yeah. Next one, we are moving towards the center part, that is the mantle. Beneath the crust, you can find out it is 2900 kilometer thick. It lies between the crust and the core, which is made of a dense and heavy materials known as an iron and magnesium. Average density between the mantle and the average density between 3.5 gram to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Temperature in mantle is high. Clear? Now core, you can find core, inner core as well as an outer core, which is very like temperature is very high. Clear? So it lies between the mantle and the center of the earth, known as a barosphere. Clear? Average radius of the core is 3500 kilometer. It is made up of heavy metals known as a nickel and iron. Both of them are known as a knife, N-I-F-E, knife. So the temperature of the layer is 2200 to 5000 degree. Clear? So temperature, the more you go depth, the more the temperature rises. And the density, it is going to vary between 5.0 gram and 13.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay. So this much for children today. After that, we are going to go for the different types of rocks. Okay, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rock, igneous rocks, rock cycle. Clear? So this much you go through the videos, try to understand. and go through the books also, you will come to know it. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please tell me. Clear? Thank you.